Hello guys, it's another beautiful night and it's another period for our $500 trading tips for trading boom and crash. Okay, we usually have this every night and this is what we do during the period. We analyze the market, we check out the market direction, then we check out the positions that we are to take whenever we are trading. Okay, and of course, it's always live. Thank you for joining me every night like this. Okay, and of course, and thanks for sharing your results with me. They were all amazing, and I'm really happy that you guys are actually milking the market successfully using this opportunity. Okay, guys, we'll be having another wonderful period tonight. Okay, and we will be doing the analysis together live and direct so that you guys will be well guided whenever you are trading tonight. Okay, but before going fully into that, I welcome you all to Qora Digital Cash. This is a platform which I used to share with you my ideas on how you can make some money for yourself online, most especially within the Forex niche. All you just need to do is just to browse through my channel, watch some of my video clips. I've got lots and lots of videos here. They are all training videos that can get you started immediately. Okay, you can just watch them, understand every strategies shared there, and also make sure you practice and perfect your skill first on your demo account before going to your real account. This is very, very important. If you love my videos, kindly give me a thumbs up and share with families and friends. And of course, if you have any question about any of my videos, or probably want to know more about my trading strategies, or maybe you would like to know more about any of my trading tools, feel free to contact me. My contact details are displayed on the screen and I'll be dropping them in the description box below this video. If you are yet to subscribe to this channel, kindly do so now. Check below this video for the subscription button, click on it and turn on the notification bell to all notifications. That way you will always be notified whenever I upload a training video like this. Okay guys, let's go straight into what we have for today. Okay, we will be analyzing the markets one after the other. We'll be starting with boom 1000, then from there we go to other assets. Okay, but before we go fully into that, everything I will be doing in today's video is going to be based on my own personal analysis, based on the trading tools I will be using, which is called the QDC Scraper Trading Indicator, then also based on the exact time frame I'm using, and of course based on the time you are seeing this video. So if you are not joining us live and direct like this, then you will need to have a recheck on the chart again before you dive into, before you go on with the analysis in this video. So that is very, very important, guys. So let's go straight to the channel, to the chart right away, and we're starting with boom 1000. Okay, before then, it is $500 per day trading tips for trading boom and crash. Okay, like I always say every night, okay, you making $500 per day depends on your trading capital, and of course it also depends on the lot size you are using. I'm not going to promise you with the fact that you will be able to make $500 by using $10 trading capital. I'm not going to promise you that. Okay, it might not be too reasonable if I promise you that, but you can always grow your trading capital gradually till it gets to a certain level whereby you will be able to make this amount of money every day. Okay, so that is that. Let's go straight to the chart right away. Okay guys, this is boom 1000 and I'm using the QDC Scraper Trading Indicator, and of course I am on 5-minute time frame. Okay, it was on downtrend before and the trend was for a very long period of time, and right here it came to an end on this support zone. So right on this support zone it started an uptrend, even though it is pulling back when it got to this resistance zone, which is a very foul resistance zone. Okay, so but it will continue with the uptrend any moment from now and try to test out on this resistance zone again. If it is unable to break it, then it will pull back again. So each time once it is getting to this resistance zone, then you should stay away from the market and wait for it to break it first or to pull back before you go into it. So it is going to be a buy for boom 1000. Okay, so let's check out boom 500 right away. Okay, guys, this is Boom 500, and just the way we have seen it, it went on an uptrend for a short period, not really short, but it is long enough for us to make cool profit from there. Okay, it ended it on this resistance zone. It was a smooth trip from that support zone, from this support zone to this resistance zone. Okay, and that was where it ended the uptrend, and of course right now it is going back on downtrend, but there are some support regions right here that are pulling it backward. Okay, right here is a very fast support because it has tested it several times. Tested it here and here. Okay, so be watchful of this. Okay, be watchful of this. Each time you get a sell signal, once it is approaching this support region, stay away from the market till it is able to break out from it successfully. Okay, once it breaks out from it, then you should be looking at these two support zone. Okay, not very strong, but they are cool enough for you to watch out for. Okay, so that is that. So it is going to be a sell for Boom 500. So it is going to be a sell for Boom 500. So that will be a sell. So but make sure you watch out for that support zone. So we'll be checking out crash 1000 right away. But before we do that, remember this is coming to you courtesy Qora Digital Cash. And if you have any question at all, feel free to contact me. And of course, if you are yet to subscribe to this channel, kindly do so now and turn on the notification bell. So let's go back into what we are checking out. Okay, the next assets we are reviewing or we will be analyzing is our crash 1000. Okay, guys, this is crash 1000, and just the way you have seen it, it started the downtrend right from this resistance zone, and it ended it on this support zone, which is a very foul support zone. Okay, right now it is going back on uptrend, even though the movement is not that smooth, but it is still going back on uptrend. It finds difficult to break out from this resistance level, but broke out successfully. This time around it has gotten to another one and still trying to see how to pull through. Okay, but once it's pulled through from here, then the movement we should be looking at this weak resistance region. Okay, so so we should be checking out on this resistance zone. So probably before you can come in, wait for it to break out from this resistance zone, probably around here. Once it breaks out from there, then you should come in and trade to this region. But if it's pulls back, okay, if there is a crash down to this support zone and you get a buy signal, then you can come in again and buy to this resistance zone and wait for it to break out above it before you come in again. So that is how you trade that particular asset. So it is going to be a buy. Make sure you put every instructions into use, because this is very, very important. If you don't want to lose your money, then you must be ready to follow instruction and wait for the right time to trade it. Okay, so that is always very important. Okay, so guys, we'll be checking out crash 500 right away. Crash 500 had been on a very strong downtrend, okay, till it got to this support zone where it is ending the trend. Right now it is going back on uptrend, but like I always say, it will always find it difficult to pull back, to go into a new trend successfully, most especially if it is yet to break out from the 4MA candles. Okay, because the 4MA candles is the monitoring support or resistance regions that is following it. Okay, so that is why it is always important you take note of all these. Okay, so right now it is going to be a buy, but I would advise you for it to break out from this 4MA candles first. But if it is yet to break out from it, if it's crash down again, then you get a buy arrow, you can come in again. But once it is approaching the 4MA candles, you exit the market immediately. So that is how to trade that. But once it breaks out from there, then this should be the next place you should watch out for. Well, once it breaks out from there, the next resistance is where you should watch out for. Okay, so that you can exit the market before it gets there. So it is going to be a buy for crash 500 also. Okay, it is going to be a buy for crash 500. Okay, guys, this is all we have for tonight. Okay, I'll make sure you follow everything that I have explained while doing the analysis for each of the assets. That will help you to trade these assets successfully. Okay, it will help you to trade these assets successfully. If you know that you are not too sure about your trading skills, okay, if you know that you've not perfected, if you know that you still have a lot to learn, then I will advise you to go back to the channel first to watch some of my training videos on how to trade these assets first before you try them out on your real account. This is very, very important. You shouldn't be in a rush to make money. Okay, you should take some time to learn the art of trading in order for you to make some money for yourself. Okay, this is very, very important. So make sure you come back to the channel, learn how to trade. Once you are able to grab a few tips there, make sure you go back to your demo account, practice and perfect your skills first on your demo account before you now come back to your real account. And if you must if you must place some trades, if you must go on with our analysis tonight, make sure you do that on your demo account and not on your real account. And for those of you that have been milking the market with me every night like this, okay, for those of you that we've been milking the market with me every night, that we've been milking the market together, okay, you know what to do. All you need to do is just to go back to your real account, watch this video again, check out your chart, and make sure you follow every instructions which I have given out in this video. Okay, make sure you follow every instruction so that you can milk the market successfully. And do not forget to share your results with me tomorrow. Okay, you know I love it when you share your results with me, and most especially I love it when I see you withdrawing from the trading platform. So I will be stopping right here. Remember, this is coming to you courtesy Qora Digital Cash, and if you have any question at all, feel free to contact me. My contact details are displayed on the screen, and of course I will drop them in the description box below this video. If you are yet to subscribe to this channel, kindly do so right away and turn on the notification bell to all notifications. That way you will always be notified whenever I upload a training video like this. So watch out for my next video. Until then, God bless.